Good morning, students. As you all know, we have from chapter number 8 to chapter number 10. What we are doing? We are discussing. We are studying about the lifestyle of a different type of regions. Okay, tropical, temperate, and desert. So in this chapter number 10, we will discuss about the lifestyle. You can say the activities or lifestyle and geographical conditions of the people who are living in the deserts. Okay. So when we are talking about the desert, so deserts means the climatical condition of a desert, yeah, you can say the nature of a desert. Okay, characteristics of the desert will be what will happen in a desert. Desert means you are a kind of a arid region. Arid means there will be no rainfall. Arid region where the water availability will be very zero or low, and your temperature can be extreme hot or cold. So this type of a region you will come in the category of desert. Deserts means first we need to discuss the what is your desert. So desert is generally a area which have a very low or slightly, you can say that nothing, there is a no level of a rainfall, and your temperature can be varies from extremely hot to extremely cold. Okay, means temperature या तो आपका बिल्कुल ठंडा होगा या टेम्परेचर आपका बहुत ज्यादा गर्म होगा, and there will be no rainfall. You can say the air, the moisture level in air will be very low. Moisture level means water availability will be very scarce, बहुत ज्यादा कम होगी. See, so this region will be come in your category of desert. That region will be come in deserts category. ठीक है. So according to the temperature, what we have discussed that temperature can be hot and temperature can be extremely cold. So in this, according to the temperature zone, we have divided or characterized the desert into the two categories, that is your hot and cold desert. If there will be no rainfall and temperature will be extremely high, so that desert will come in the category of hot. And cold means there will be a no rainfall but temperature can be extreme freezing, बिल्कुल ठंडा या बर्फ के जैसा आपका टेम्परेचर होगा. So it will come in the category of cold desert. So first one is where in this chapter you have a two type of a desert, that is hot and cold. So first we will discuss your one of the hot deserts. Okay, first is your hot desert. So what is hot desert means? We have already discussed that there will be a low rainfall या scanty rainfall and temperature will be very high. Okay, temperature will be high. That's why we are saying it hot deserts. Okay, so hot deserts. This is your Sahara. Okay, Sahara desert is your example of a hot desert. ठीक है, Sahara is your one of the extremely hot desert. That is your example of hot. Okay, hot की condition, hot deserts का example है, that is your Sahara desert. And your Sahara desert was the one of the largest desert in your ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. पूरे वर्ल्ड का सबसे बड़ा लार्जेस्ट जो आपका डेजर्ट एरिया है, दैट इज योर सहारा डेजर्ट. यू कैन से दैट ही इज कवरिंग, द सहारा डेजर्ट इज कवरिंग ऑलमोस्ट 8.54 मिलियन स्क्वायर किलोमीटर्स एरिया. इतना एरिया, एंड you will be feel amazed that the only India's area is only 3.2 million square kilometer. So you can say that how much it is larger as compared to our India. India से कितना ज़्यादा बड़ा है? You can say that it will be approximately 4. So it can be extremely approximately 9. So it is double. The area of a Sahara desert is double as compared to our area of India. India के area से बिल्कुल क्या है? Double है. Okay, so now this was your area of a Sahara and we are saying it largest desert in the world. After that come to the climatical condition, means what kind of a climate it is Sahara is receiving. As we know, it is come in the category of hot desert. So you will find, you can already say the temperature will be high there. So you can see the day टाइम ऑफ, मतलब जो दिन का समय day extremely hot. Temperature will be very hot in a during the daytime when the sun will be illuminate at its peak. जब सन आपकी बिल्कुल illuminate करेगा, बिल्कुल चमकेगा, intense heat होगी आपकी. And just opposite in the night will be very cold because the sand, जो आपकी जो sand है, sand started to get hot. मतलब बहुत जल्दी आपकी क्या होगी, फास्टेस्ट इसकी क्या होगी, फास्टेस्ट रिसीविंग पावर है, अब्सॉर्बिंग पावर है. सनलाइट को भी उतनी जल्दी रिसीव करेगा तो उतनी जल्दी क्या होगा, आफ्टर व्हेन द सन गोज डाउन टेम्परेचर, आपका जो सैंड है वो उतनी जल्दी आपकी ठंडी भी होनी शुरू हो जाती है. दैट इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ अ सहारा डेजर्ट. ओके, क्लाइमेट क्या है, ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम टेम्परेचर विल बी वेरी हॉट एंड ड्यूरिंग द नाइट टाइम टेम्परेचर विल फॉल डाउन, टेम्परेचर बिल्कुल गिर जाएगा. ठीक है, बिकॉज सैंड की जो आपकी प्रॉपर्टी है, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द एरिया इज कवर्ड बाय द सैंड, तो सैंड जितनी जल्दी गर्म होगी उतनी जल्दी ठंडी हो जाएगी. ओके, सो मोस्ट ऑफ द एरिया now you will find the cover area will covered with sand and somewhere there is a plain arid region, बिल्कुल बिना सूखा सा प्लेन एरिया होगा और somewhere slightly elevated surface. Okay, so this is the area, you can say the characteristics of the Sahara. Sahara में आपको most of you will find the sand type of area, the area which is covered by the sand. Somewhere the plain arid region, कहीं कहीं पे आपका क्या होगा, plain बिल्कुल सूखा इलाका होगा and somewhere the surface will be slightly elevated like a structure of a plateau. There is a one you can 23 kilometers high. ठीक है, from the level, from the bottom level the surface can be elevated till your 2300 kilometer. 2300 किलोमीटर की surface उठी हुई आपको मिल सकती है in a Sahara desert. That is the geographical condition and climatical condition of a Sahara. Now come to the next factor, that is your vegetation. As we all know, one of the you can say the one of the requirement for growing the vegetation, that is your rainfall. Okay, and soil. So in this region, in a Sahara region, we are lacking the both factors, that is your water and your soil possibility. So the vegetation will be very scarce, या scanty vegetation, means there will be a very low kind of a vegetation. Only somewhere you will find some bushes there. Okay, continually आपकी झाड़ियाँ मिलेंगी and somewhere you will find the cactus, palms and dates. Okay, dates in an area of oasis. Somewhere in your Sahara desert there is a little bit of a water availability. कहीं कहीं पे आपका क्या होगा, water availability होगी. So in this region you will find the plants of dates. खजूर के पेड़ आपको वहाँ पे मिल सकेंगे. Where little bit of a, where the possibility of a little bit of water, जहाँ पे कहीं पे आपकी water की क्या होगी, अवेलेबिलिटी होगी और स्लाइटली ग्रीन वेजिटेशंस होगा. ओके, सो ग्रीन वेजिटेशन इज अ एग्जांपल ऑफ योर डेट्स. ओनली डेट्स विल कम इन द ग्रीन वेजिटेशंस. ओके, so now come to the, that is your vegetation, so means there is a no kind of a vegetation here. Okay, now come to the people. Peoples means the lifestyle of a people, how they are surviving in this type of a extreme hot temperature. कैसे सर्वाइव कर रहे हैं एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटी दे आर डूइंग फॉर देयर लिविंग, अपने जीने के लिए कौन सी एक्टिविटीज वो कर रहे हैं. सो देयर इज अ टू टाइप ऑफ अ ट्राइब्स. ट्राइब्स मीन्स जनजाति you will find in your Sahara desert, that is Bedouins and your Tuaregs. Okay, ये दो आपकी क्या है, this is the Bedouins and Tuaregs are the tribes. The means you can say the peoples, okay, who are living in your Sahara deserts. Okay, and somewhere I have told you that somewhere the water is available. In a very low area the water is available. So where your water is available, so little bit of your agriculture production is happening. That is your in a area of your Egypt and oasis of Sahara. Sahara के जहाँ पे थोड़ा सा पानी है and the one area of your Egypt. ठीक है, कंट्री इजिप्ट तक फैला है आपका. तो इजिप्ट में आपका क्या हो रहा है, राइस, व्हीट एंड बीन्स आर कल्टीवेटिंग. ये आपके क्या हो रहे हैं, उगाए जा रहे हैं वहां पे. ठीक है, एंड वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर कल्टीवेशन यू कैन सी द इन इजिप्ट इज योर कॉटन. ओके जो कॉटन है, जो आपकी रुई है, इजिप्ट की सबसे पॉपुलर क्या है, एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्शन है। ओके एंड समवेयर now the discovery of a oil discovery in a some area peoples have find the mines of a oil की क्या मिली उन्हें, खाने मिली है। so production of a oil is started there। okay so some of the area where we have find the oil discovery, that is where Al Jazeera, Libya and Egypt। okay so this is all about your hot deserts। okay and there is a one term that is your ropes। okay ROBES। okay so there is a ropes means a kind of a clothes। okay a very loose kind of a clothes which people are wearing who is living in the hot deserts। okay ropes आपका एक kind of a कपड़ा है जो people आपके लोग पहनते हैं in a hot desert and it is mainly for protecting themselves from the you can say the storms, dust storms। वहाँ पे आपके जो धूल की जो तूफान आते हैं वो बहुत ज्यादा आते हैं। सो फॉर प्रोटेक्टिंग देमसेल्फ एंड हाई हॉट टेम्परेचर, ओके टू प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम सनलाइट एंड स्टॉर्म्स दे स्टार्टेड टू वेयर रोप्स। अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए वो क्या पहनते हैं, रोप्स पहनते हैं। किसके लिए? टू प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम हाई टेम्परेचर मीन्स हाई सनलाइट एंड एज वेल एज द स्टॉर्म्स, डस्ट स्टॉर्म्स। ओके so I hope this is all about your the lifestyles of a Sahara desert। okay I hope you understand this lecture very well।